jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on the one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle.
Kellakeli vaja, siis tunned, kuidas küünlaleek su hinge soojaks, rõõmsaks teeb.
Et su suusis sised veiks, pesa joulipakipik, seal on apelsin ja keks, õun ja pomeriidipik.
Verikorst ja sead, siis on jõuluõhtu hea. Väike pits ja piparkooli, nii saab õhtu õige nooni.
Saadab kuusk ja saadab tuba, lapsed rõõmsalt kuuse ees. Kuulge, tuleb juba laste suva jõulemees.
Jõuluvana, kullapae, kingi mulle suhkrusae. Mina olen püsi, ära minult salmi küsi.
It's all cold down along the beach. And the wind's whipping down the boardwalk. Hey, man!
Frosty the Snowman was a jolly, happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a button nose and two eyes made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found, for when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Oh, Frosty the Snowman was alive as he could be, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me.
Frosty, clumsy as he can be, see him loping along. Off he goes on an icicle spring with a happy song.
Oh, Frosty. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on the one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride